Let's see. Video 11. Brake repair job 1970 Volkswagen van shop towels audio commentary. I wonder if I can get a Academy Award nomination. I'd like to thank the Academy. I'd like to thank my parents. Okay, so it looks like those bolts are out of there, and it's still holding up. And they're sitting down on the ground. Kind of clean them up a bit. Just clean them up as you go. There's some shot towels.
Shop towels.
You can pick up shot towels at the automotive section of any store. I guess that's that, right?